Hi there, this is Evelyn from HAISEN. I'm proud to present you our company, Shenzhen HAISEN Technology Company Limited to you. HAISEN was located in Shenzhen and we moved to Dongguan City in 2020. Our new facility in New England property is located along beautiful Songshan Lake, neighbor of Huawei, with a total footage 8,000 square meters and people about 300. On the 13th and 3rd floor of this building. Let's go. Founded in 2013, HAISEN has become a national high-tech and ISO 9001 certificated enterprise. We have been announced as specialized, distinctive, sophisticated, and innovative as well. We focus on smart sensor, including microwave and PIR and those with Bluetooth. And we have expanded our product business since 2020 into emergency driver and power supply. We are now able to provide a one-stop solution for lighting control because your time is precious. Or a bar where we could have coffee, and this is our conference room. They are having a meeting right here. So now we are heading to our general office. Well, this is our showroom. So we are now entering to our showroom. Our products are suitable for global market with certificates of UL, FCC, TUV, CE, RED, and SAA, etc. And we've accomplished NLC of Network Lighting Control Certificate. Our market center is constituted by marketing, domestic sales, and international sales. To better support our customers, we have set up a local office in East China and Xiamen and developed agents in China and all over the world. We insistently upgrade our products, deeply research and develop technology, and this is our R&D department office where everything begins. We have engineering groups for different product lines, totally about 60 people working here. Project engineers as well as assistant engineers, especially present our software algorithm working group. They are the brain. Once we completed our products, we will run comprehensive testing, including the low temp, high temp working, daylight testing, strikes and wave surge, indoor distance detection, and of course keeping the sensors on for at least 8 hours during the night and check the video, see if it's unwanted triggered when there's no motion at all. So this is the lab room and the testing room where we process. So this is our SMT electrostatic workshop, class 100,000 clean, equipped with 3 SMT lines of automatic uploading, printing, and high-speed surface mounting machines. With AOI automatic testing machine, we keep them running 24 hours per day in busy season, 2 shifts. We have 4 DIP production lines of plug-in and assembly equipped with brand new wave soldering machines for sensor module production and emergency driver. Daily production capacity reaches 80,000 pieces, almost twice of before. We have 4 independent shielded automatic testing room for both high bay and low bay sensors, and we are now in the biggest one. The testing software was self-completed, including warm-up, detection, remote control, daylight, and time clock. We have 5 brand new computer-controlled power supply burn-in system for driver products, all data saved and trackable, conform to the standard operating specification. quality center are two parts. One is comprehensive testing, which is verification and assessment of product function and performance at early stage. The other one is quality control, which means the quality supervision in incoming materials, manufacturing process, and delivery.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.